Hi, welcome to Eden's Balcony, and today we're gonna harvest some carrots that we planted in early spring, and by now they're about ready to harvest. There is one, but I feel like it can be much bigger. Let's see, look right here. Let's pull up the other. Here. And see right here, we got a little carrot, but something did went wrong. It's one of it is intense heat because carrots do not like hot weather at all. So that's one of our main problems why we have small carrots, and could be also wrong fertilization. Yeah, you see, we can't make much out of it. So you see, can't make much out of it. So these are little small carrots that we got from the grow bag. So a lot of things went wrong, but it's okay. Gardening is a lesson, and every time when you make a mistake, it's best to always take that lesson and learn it, so you don't repeat the same mistake over again. Thank you for watching Eden's Balcony. Hope y'all have a great day, like me.